Oh, good evening. Hello. Okay, can you hear me already?
Yes,
Okay, good evening. How are you today, Lee?
I'm fine.
Okay, have you already eaten your dinner?
Yes,
Okay, so what did you eat today?
it is uh neutral.
Okay, you eat noodles and
Yeah, and
only noodles.
yes,
Okay, how are you in the school? Are you happy in school?
yes,
Okay, do you have many homeworks? Do you have many homeworks in school?
no,
No homework.
yeah,
Okay, so long time no see, no class, right? So have you remember with our something lesson? Okay, before we start, what vocabulary have you remember in our class before? Vocabulary. Have you remember?
to
You forgot?
Sky.
Mm-hmm. I wait in a minute. So here, okay, last meeting we discussed about a lesson, right? So I asked to you, what are the lesson that you remember? Hello? Okay,
Yeah.
can yes, yes. Can you tell me, describe something? Okay. So before we start, can you please describe something? What have you remember with our class? Because um we never discussed for how many months, I think, right? So maybe you forgot already your lesson, right? Okay, so again, what is the lesson that you have? So we have solution elementary, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Solution elementary. Okay, very good. So what is in the solution elementary? We have, okay, what is that?
Um,
You forgot? Can you please remember something? Okay, this is a very important also. So if you know that we never discussed for how many months, so all you have to do is to try to review all the lessons that you had, so that next time we will continue with our lesson, right?
yeah.
Okay, so this time we will not proceed if you will not give me something, um a lesson or a topic that you remember here in Pantado, here about solution elementary. Even in the title of your lesson, can you please give me? Or I know you have a copy, right? Because I said to you that you must have a copy, right? Okay, that you must have a copy. And then now, can you please read about what you have in your notebook? Read something so that we can move on with our lesson. Do you have a notebook, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please read it? What did you write about our lesson?
February.
Yes. Okay. Do not worry, just continue. Do not be confused of your answer. As long as you have a copy, right? So all you have to do is just to read only so that we can proceed with other lesson. Okay, go. Read on what you have in your notebook.
February.
Okay, what is
Uh,
that?
Arti. Artillery. Possible.
Mm-hmm.
Impossible. Possibility. And email. Uh, Watson. Disaster. Disaster. Uh,
Okay, just continue. so that we will continue. Okay, last meeting, we discussed about speaking, right? So in the speaking, as we all know, you must speak carefully with the lesson. You must describe the lesson, okay? So that is why I always ask you to get a pen, to get paper, or anything that you can write the most important word in the lesson. So that is the purpose of the pen and the paper, so that what you can really understand about the lesson, and then if there is a question, you can easily answer the question also. Okay, so that is the point why you need to have a pen and a paper. Okay. Okay, so do you have any question before we will proceed? Because maybe you forgot all the lesson that we had. And then I will have a test, right? So as I said to you, all you have to do is always copy, okay? Copy the what? What should you copy? Copy
One.
the important lesson, okay? As I said, copy the important lesson so that you will learn. Again, so that you will learn. Okay, so last meeting we discussed about school days, and that is speaking. Okay. 2A. Okay, so this time, is speaking very important? Yes or no? Hello? Okay, is speaking very important? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, why? Why speaking is very important?
I think is have communication.
Mm-hmm. To have a communication and
Uh, and um,
what else?
quality.
What?
Uh,
Why,
uh,
Ricky? Why speaking is very important to all of us? What is your answer? That question is very simple, right? Why speaking is very important? Okay, same with why you want to study in English. So what is your purpose? Why you study it?
uh, true.
Because
Um, uh, uh, communicate idea.
communicate. Yes. Okay,
Uh,
so that is for the communication, right?
uh,
Okay. So speaking is very important. Why? Because if we don't know how to speak, we cannot understand with each other, right? You cannot explain what you want, right? What you need, what should you do? Okay. So that is why Speaking is very, really important to all of us so that we can answer and ask for a question. Okay? So that is our lesson last meeting. That is a vocabulary. So next, let's proceed about writing. And next meeting we will have a regular test. Okay? Okay, just tell me if you can see my slide also. Okay, why speaking, no, why is writing important? What is your answer? Why writing? So our lesson for today is all about writing. Okay? Writing. So what do you think? Why writing is important?
Um, I think
Because,
because is I have you reason
mm-hmm,
and express your view in a powerful way.
what else?
Oh,
That is a very simple question. Why writing is important? We already answered
uh,
for the, okay, we already answered for the, what is that? For the speaking. So let's move on in writing.
trend and yeah,
Why writing is important? Because,
because it's help you present present
mm-hmm,
and express
okay.
is
Okay, so that is your answer, right? So in writing, there is a grammar, right? There is a skills also. So this time, okay, I will share my screen to you so that you will know. And please, as I said, please get your ball pen and paper. We will not proceed if you don't have a ball pen and a paper. We will not proceed. Please get your pen and paper. Okay, can you see already my slide? Okay, so we have here, we have our, this is our lesson and this is our writing. Okay, so again, as I said, please get your pen and paper. Okay, ready? Can you see already my slide? Okay, match photos with the words below, then decide which item is the best present for your partner. Okay, go. Number one, what is that? I cannot hear you. What is your answer number one?
Uh, violet, rose, no,
Again, what is that number one? Wallet.
violet,
Okay, wallet. Number two.
uh, two, sunglass,
Okay. Okay, number two is a
sunglass,
sunglass. Okay, number three.
three, uh, bra, bracelet,
Again,
for
number three is a bracelet.
brace,
Again, one more bracelet.
brace,
Bracelet. How about number four?
number four, uh, headphone,
Okay, headphone. Okay, wallet, sunglasses, bracelet, and headphone. Okay, which item is the present for your partner? Which item do you like for your partner?
headphone,
What is your answer? What do you like?
ally, headphone,
Headphone. Why you like headphone?
purse, I, uh, I
Okay,
can,
okay, so you like a headphone, right?
yeah,
So here, write an email to your friend in which, okay, describe what you are doing at the moment, thank himself or help represent, measure a future arrangement, then suggest an activity to do together. Okay, before we will proceed, let's end first because it is already time. Okay, please come back again. Okay.